So there is a car coming, so I'll have to stop and move to one he's letting me come. So I'm just checking my mirrors, and I want to park up on the left hand side anyway. So here they will park you up on the left hand side.
Street, then turn right.
In this particular test, they made my learner park up on the left hand side and do a hill start. So I'm in parking, handbrake up. Just be careful not to park in front of somebody's driveway. The examiner did tell the learner that you can park in front of someone's driveway. Do not worry, I will not mark you down. So I'm doing a hill start. Yeah, I'm in gear, handbrake down, checking observations, blind spot check, signalling, and it's safe for me to move off and keeping control of the car. There's a 20 sign there, but the lights aren't flashing, so I'm not in a 20 zone at the moment. Once I come off this giveaway, I am turning left. And if you notice, I'm following the curb on my left, following the road on my left. Just edging forward. It's safe for me to make the turn because I did look right, left and right multiple times. And I'm just checking my mirrors, it's safe.